Hey YouTubers, Mike Martin's here by the Ford plant. Let me zoom that in for you guys. Ford plant's been around here I think since the 1950s and 60s. I always remember driving through here as a child, you know, always wanting to work here, this big Ford company. And there they are, the advertising the Mustang. Right there. And what is going to happen with the tariffs and steels right now, the steel tariffs right now in Canada, or what's going on with this whole aluminum and steel issue with the North American free trade? Will it cost us our factories? Mario Desetti's Lost Canuck believes that they will lose a lot of the Honda plant and stuff. I think it's the Honda plant, he said, or Toyota, I'm not sure. But there's the Ford office right there. Lincoln, Ford. So on the 403, kind of wanted to show you guys this. Factory's been there for as long as I can remember. It's gone through some, it's still right here. You see all the cars parked back there? You can barely see it, but there's a lot of cars parked, lots of cars parked back there. It's still their land. It comes way out here.
It's huge.
It's humongous, yeah. So let me know what you guys think. If you worked at this plant, let me know. I'd like to know where are things headed with these new tariffs and embargoes and whatever you want to call them. Let me know. Thanks for watching.